What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Apple AirPods Pro. Welcome back, and I'd first like to mention that I'm a huge AirPods fan, so I'm really excited to be checking out the AirPods Pro. Now we'll be giving you answers to two questions before the video ends. One's going to be, should you purchase the AirPods Pro if you already own the original AirPods or the AirPods 2? I'll also be letting you know if they're worth the $250 price tag. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, on the box we have a picture of the AirPods Pro on the front. The side of the box says AirPods Pro with wireless charging case, and the top and bottom both have the Apple logo. And on the back of the box is a picture of the AirPods Pros as well. Let's go ahead and grab out the unboxing blade and cut open the packaging. Lifting the lid on the box for the very first time, we're presented with a little bit of literature, including both a getting started guide as well as a warranty guide. Next in the box is the AirPods Pros. We'll go ahead and place those off to the side for now. And lifting up the interior section of the box, we're presented with both the charging cable, which is going to be a Lightning to USB-C cable, along with a smaller box that's going to house our other earbud tips. The AirPods Pro comes standard with the medium tips, however they also come with small and large size tips to fit perfectly in your ear canal. And of course we get the AirPods Pro. Removing the protective packaging from the outside and taking a look at the back, you can see we have our status indicator. And on the bottom is our Lightning charging port. Now, the charging case isn't too big, it fits easily in the palm of my hand, yet provide more than 24 hours of additional battery life with multiple additional charges in the case, and also up to 4.5 hours of listening time on one charge. Opening up the case and taking a closer look at the AirPods Pro themselves, I have to say I really like the design. They definitely have a shorter stem than the original AirPods and AirPods 2. And it looks like those silicone earbud tips are going to create a great seal in your ear. The AirPods Pro feature a force sensor, an H1 chip, Hey Siri feature, IPX4 water resistant, and also feature a wireless charging case. I went ahead and unboxed these about a week ago, and I've been using them for around a week, and I have to say that I'm extremely impressed. The noise cancellation creates immersive sound, yet conveniently they also feature transparency mode for hearing and connecting with the world around you. I also like that Apple includes 3 sizes of soft tapered silicone tips for a customizable fit. AirPods Pro are also sweat and water resistant, which are excellent, and have an adaptive EQ that automatically tunes music to the shape of your ear. Here's a closer look at the difference between the stems from the AirPods and the AirPods 2 for the AirPods Pro. And I have to say that I was a little worried that the call quality would suffer due to the shorter stem here in the AirPods Pro. However, the call quality is excellent, and the Hey Siri feature works great as well. Now, as we all know, the most important thing about headphones is, do they sound good? And I have to say that the AirPods Pro sound great. Are they an upgrade from the original AirPods and the AirPods 2? I have to say, yeah, they are. Due to the silicone earbud tips, I have to say that they have better sound quality, better bass, and overall just sound better than the original AirPods and AirPods 2. So if you're looking to upgrade, I say this is a great upgrade, especially if you own the original AirPods. This is definitely the time to upgrade for you. However, I probably wouldn't purchase these if I owned the Powerbeats Pros. So the answer to should you upgrade from the AirPods or the AirPods 2, I think yeah, you should. They definitely sound great, and they do sound better, once again, than the original AirPods and AirPods 2. And also the other question that I wanted to answer was, are they worth the $250 price tag? And I have to say yes, they are. I've been using the AirPods Pros for around 4 days now, and I have to say that I'm extremely impressed with them, and I highly recommend them to everyone out there. So I definitely give them 5 out of 5 stars. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be available in the video description. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.